Alright, welcome to my channel. I'm J. Michael, and for today's video, I just want to share this motorcycle luggage bag. This is a IRONJIAS or iron. It says here on the side. So what I really like about this bag is the capacity. It fits my personality actually. So I don't like a big bag. So, but you can also choose from 30 liters, 50 liters, and 70 liters capacity for this type of bag. It looks duffel bag actually. So, very easy to carry. So, what I like this bag is the quality, the premium feels. Actually, it has thick materials and very flexible. So, durability tested. So I used this last, I think, almost a month ago. And what I like this bag is it has an air release system. So you can release the air from inside and you can put more things. So all your things can fit here. So I choose this 30 liters because it's not too big and it's not too small. So it fits all my things here. And then it has a pocket, side pocket here, mesh pocket, easy to access, so you can put your other things here. But this is not waterproof on this side, alright? So the waterproof is the main compartment. So you can see the white design. Actually, this is a reflectorized, even this letter, and this 30, and also this side. They're all reflectorized, especially at night. You can see this bag. So the light coming from other vehicles, they can see this from afar, from a distance, alright? So there's also a MOLLE attachment here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can put other things here, alright? So what I like is it has very easy to carry. So we have other accessories here. For example, the end of the day, the end of your motorcycle ride. So you can just attach it here from your motorcycle to your hotel room. So just like this. Alright, so guard your freedom. If you're going to your room and you have a lot of things to carry, so you can just put this strap, shoulder strap, and like this. Alright, so very easy to carry, and also you can use this one. Very easy to grab, very easy to carry, and it has a 4-point mounting strap. You can put it here. Alright, 1, 2, and also at the other side. Alright, so you can attach this to your motorcycle, to your seat, and grab bar. So use your imagination. Actually, this is very easy to attach. There's an instructional manual on this plastic bag. Alright, here. Alright. And also, you can have this, looks hologram sticker actually. It says iron and their logo. So, for updated prices and accessories, you can check their website for any discount or promo. You can check their website, alright? So I'm planning to use this for a long time and for my future ride. Especially rainy season or rainy days. 100% your clothes are dry, alright? So that's it for the video. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.